Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If you installed the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone or the iPadOS 27 beta on your iPad, and now your device is lagging, overheating, draining battery, crashing apps, or giving you too many bugs, this video will show you how to downgrade back to the stable iOS 26 or iPadOS 26 version. This method works for both iPhone and iPad, but in this video I am demonstrating it on an iPhone. Before starting, do one quick safety check. Open Settings, tap your Apple account, go to iCloud, and make sure your important data like photos, contacts, notes, messages, iCloud Drive, calendars, reminders, and passwords are syncing. Also, if you use WhatsApp, open WhatsApp settings and make a fresh chat backup. This is important because downgrading from a beta version is not the same as a normal update. We are going from iOS 27 beta back to stable iOS 26, so you should protect your data before starting. Now let's begin the actual process. First, open your browser on your Windows PC or Mac. Go to the official Tenorshare website and click Free Download. If you are watching this video, you can simply use the ReiBoot download link provided in the video description. Follow the installation steps and install Tenorshare ReiBoot on your computer. Once the installation is finished, open ReiBoot. Now connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a reliable USB cable. If your iPhone asks you to trust this computer, tap Trust and enter your device passcode. After the device is connected, wait until ReiBoot detects it. On the main screen of ReiBoot, click iOS Upgrade/Downgrade. Now you will see two options, Upgrade and Downgrade. Since we want to go back from iOS 27 beta to stable iOS 26, click Downgrade. ReiBoot will now check your connected iPhone or iPad and show the available stable iOS firmware. Here, make sure the version shown is the official stable iOS 26 or iPadOS 26 version. Do not select another beta version. ReiBoot will start downloading the iOS 26 firmware package. The firmware file is usually large, so this can take some time depending on your internet speed. During the download, keep your device connected. Do not close ReiBoot. Do not turn off your computer, and if you are using a laptop, connect it to the charger. Now ReiBoot will start downgrading your iPhone from iOS 27 beta to stable iOS 26. During this process, your iPhone may restart several times. You may see the Apple logo, a loading bar, a black screen, or a recovery screen. This is normal. Do not disconnect the cable. Do not close ReiBoot. Do not restart the computer. Just wait until the process is complete. When the downgrade finishes, ReiBoot will show a completed message and your iPhone will restart. Once the downgrade is complete, your iPhone will restart. Select your language. Choose your country or region. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network and wait for the iPhone to activate. If the iPhone shows iPhone locked to owner, enter the Apple ID and password that were previously used on this iPhone. You can also tap on the Unlock with Previous Passcode button at the bottom where you can unlock your iPhone with your previous passcode. It's much easier than entering the Apple ID. After that, continue the setup. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID. Now select the backup you want to restore from the list. Choose the backup that contains your old data. After selecting the backup, continue the remaining setup steps. Now your iPhone will start restoring data from iCloud. When the loading bar appears, connect your iPhone to the charger and keep it connected to strong Wi-Fi. Wait until the restore is complete. After the iPhone opens to the home screen, your apps, photos, videos, contacts, messages, and settings may continue downloading in the background. Keep the iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and charging until everything comes back. Finally, open Settings, go to General, tap About, and confirm that the iPhone is now running iOS 26. One more important thing before ending the video. Tenorshare ReiBoot is a paid software, so some downgrade or repair features may require a license. If you want the easier method with a simple guided process, you can check ReiBoot from the link in the description. But if you want the official free method from Apple, you can also use iTunes or Finder to restore your iPhone manually. I have added the official free iTunes Restore tutorial link in the description as well. So choose the method that works best for you. ReiBoot is easier for guided downgrade, and iTunes is the official free option. All useful links are available in the description. If this video helped you downgrade from iOS 27 beta to stable iOS 26, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone, iPad, and iOS tutorials.